Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly undo and redo actions or changes that you've made to your projects over at Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Canva account and that you have a project opened. So let's say that you're working on your project and you're making some changes, you're adding some text here and there, and you're resizing some elements within your project, you're adding some images, and you accidentally add way too many images, or you use the wrong font for a certain type of body of text on your project, and you're looking to undo them. So you guys can either refer to the top left corner of your screen on Canva and click on undo, or click on redo, and that's honestly all there is to it. Now if you guys want to use the easy way, you can just do it with shortcuts by doing Control Z, as you can see here, or Control Shift Z. So to show you what I mean, I'm going to make a change on the title here. So let's just add some random text, and obviously that's a mistake. So if I were to undo this, I just hit Control Z, as you can see, or if I want to redo it, Control Shift Z. And yeah, that's all there's to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.